Hey guys, so a long time ago I had a request to do an equipment tour, and also for those of you kids that subscribed and are watching this, make sure and wish y'all good luck. For those of y'all that are going back to school tomorrow, I am going back to school tomorrow, so let's get on to the equipment tour. First up is our John Deere BD 1110 seed drill. Now, I'm not sure what year this is. I'm pretty sure this is either a 2014 or a 15. There are the discs sometimes. I don't know if the disc can get pretty warm. But I'm going to take a look inside of this seed drill. Open it. It's hard to do this with one hand on the camera. Yeah, only got, there is a couple of seeds in there. I don't know if you can see that because it's so freaking dark in there. Yeah, there are the seats, and you also got a gauge. Pretty sure there is another one over there. Yep, there is. It is a really nice seed drill. We also have a gray one over there, which I don't know what the brand is. Knock it down. But yeah, let's move on to the next machinery. John Deere 10P poly cart. This is my cart, as you can see. Got an old Dr. Pepper can in there. Yeah, it's very old. I need to get new tires for this cart. It is a really nice cart. It is a 10 cubic feet though. Next up is our John Deere Z915E zero-turn mower. You guys might have saw this. You guys saw this in one of my earlier videos where I was cutting grass with it. It's got a 60-inch commercial deck. I really do like Z9s. It also has a 25.5 horsepower engine. Really nice. Kind of sounds like a Kawasaki, but it's not. It's a cooler engine. You can see the sticker right there. Yeah. You got this little knob that you can adjust to raise and lower the mower, the height of the mower deck. And the hour meter, let's check and see how many hours it has on it. 68.4 hours on it. That's how many hours it has on it. Really nice lawnmower. We always wanted these. Next up is our John Deere 855M S4 Gator. It is a 4-seater Gator. You guys already know that because you saw this. It's got black seats. It is finished in hunting green. It's a really nice Gator. Now, I'm pretty sure, I don't know what year it is. I think it's 2019, I believe. Yeah, I think it's a 2019. It's the same year as the ranch truck over there, which we'll get to next. 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. We actually got a 6-liter under the hood, which we don't have the Duramax. The reason why we don't have the Duramax is because our livestock trailer is not that big or heavy. So yeah, the 6.0-liter Vortec V8 is just enough power for us. This engine produces 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, which is enough torque for us. And it also has the Z71 off-road package, which is really nice. Yeah, let's go outside. Over here is our John Deere 6115D utility tractor. It's got the H260 quick attach front loader on it. This is a 2013 model, and we basically use this tractor for cultivating. We also use it for disking sometimes. It pulls an Armstrong 12-foot disc, which I'll get to in a couple of moments here. It's a very nice tractor. It's got the forks on it, and it's got a power reverser transmission, which I absolutely like. This one inside the cab, it's got a deluxe air ride seat. Yeah, it's a very nice tractor, you know. You could sit in here all day. It's got a radio in it. Very nice. And I'll go ahead and start the key right here, see how many hours it has on it. Wow, that is way more hours than the 5065E. It's got 1106.9 hours on it. That's a lot of hours because it is an older tractor. It also has a horn right here on the dash. Climb up and out of here. Yeah, I've always been a big fan of the 6 family of tractors. Around here, it works really good. It can do tillage work very nice. 6 family can do tillage work really nice. And you can also get an open station in the 6D series, which is really nice. So this has got 115 engine horsepower, like I mentioned in one of my other videos. It's a very nice tractor. I really do like this tractor quite a bit, you know. Whoops. On to the next one. Over here is our heavy belt 3-ton feed buggy. It requires a 2 5/16" ball to hook on up to it. It is it's a tandem axle, although heavy belt calls a Tarson axle. Heavybelt.com. This originally came from Oklahoma. It's a very nice feed buggy. It's got brakes on the back axle, 7-pin light connection, safety chain thing right there. Yeah. Move on to the next machinery. Over here is our top hat Gooseneck flatbed trailer. Now I definitely don't know what year this is. I think it's I'm trying to think. No, I think this trailer is a 2006, I think. Yeah, it might be a 2006, 2005 or 6. Definitely use this trailer to haul around the 5065E, which we'll get to after this. Also haul around our John Deere, my dad's 333G skid steer, which is not here. It's at Ag Pro, our local John Deere dealership in Pearsall. It's a very nice trailer. Next up is our John Deere 5065E utility tractor. This is a 2016 model. It's got a 2.9 liter 3-cylinder PowerTech motor with the turbo. You know, John Deere uses PowerTech motors. We'll climb up inside the cab. It smells a little bit more nicer. It smells a little bit more strong than it is in the 6115D. It's got 400 hours on it. It's kind of a small cab, but you can still sit in here. This one has more. It has more gears than the 6115D. It's got 4 gears instead of 3 gears, and it has 1 hydraulic SUV. And it's got a bass stag. I don't know because that freaking pipe is blocking the way. It is a Tier 4 emission standard, so you can see the switch right here. This is for the regen process. It's called the exhaust filter cleaning system. This is a Best Way AG sprayer. It is a very nice sprayer. It is PTO driven, of course. You can see, so I had to have the tractor in idle, and then I can run PTO on it. Yeah, I did buy this tractor brand new back in July of 2016, where it was just brand new. Very nice tractor. Oh, kind of reminds me of 4020. Kind of looks like a newer version of the 4020. Yeah, very nice. I definitely like the 5E series, but the 5Ms are better because they have 4 cylinders. Over here is our skid steer implement. Over here is our Armstrong 12-foot disc like I was talking about. We definitely use the 6115D. The 6115D has enough power to pull this. That's a very nice disc. 12-foot again. I had to replace the disc because they were getting pretty wore. You saw this in my very first video where I had it connected to the 6115D. Very nice disc, and also that tire, the the left tire's getting pretty low, but overall, it's a nice disc. And over here is our yellow blade. There they go with this. Very nice blade. Put it on the 6115D because it has the loader on it. This is for moving brush or taking out brush. Yeah, really nice blade. And then we got the 16-foot bucket. It is 16-foot bucket, I do believe. It is a very nice bucket. It's got a lot of wear and tear on it because we use it to carry sacks of corn to fill the corn feeders around the ranch. It is a really nice bucket. Also got a mower over there that we put in front of the skid steer. On to the next piece of equipment. Over here is our Italian 15-foot rotary mower. We definitely used the 6115D for this. It's got the blades, it's got the rings around the blades, and these blades are definitely pretty sharp. You gotta be careful. And I like these tires, they never go flat on us. Very nice tires. I really do appreciate these tires. Really nice mower. I love it. Over here, this is our 8-foot bush hog. This came with this is my 8-foot bush hog. This came with the 5065E when I bought it. It's got the same type of tires that is on the mower that I showed you. I like this mower. It's definitely a very nice brush hog. It's a very nice 8-foot brush hog. It's got you only need one SUV to do this. And what the SUV does is that it raises and lowers it. As you can see right there, it raises and lowers it. Yeah, very nice bush hog. Now onto the last, or second to last piece of equipment. And over here is our 5x10 utility trailer. We haven't used it to haul around the lawnmower, but it can haul around the lawnmower. It is a very nice trailer. There's our abandoned lawnmower. I don't know. I know it's Deere, but I gotta check the. It is a LX277 lawnmower. Very nice. It's got the cruise control as well as the raise and lower the deck. Move that out of the way. Forward and reverse pedals. Right now, as you can see, the parking brake is on. I can just push the parking brake there, and that's parking brake on. Free to push your hydro pedals forward and reverse. It's an old lawnmower. We don't use this thing anymore because it's junk. It's for the lights, throttle, choke, PTO. Raises and lowers the deck, I do believe. Has an adjustable seat. Fortunately, can't adjust. And we got the cruise control right here. Fortunately, it doesn't work. And then over here, we got my trailer. It is a 2008, I believe, Top Hat SDL. It is a 24-footer, just like the flatbed. Yeah, use it to haul around cattle. As you can see, it's not that big or heavy. So yeah, the 6.0 liter Vortec V8 in our Silverado HD is enough power for us. Not enough power to pull this gooseneck around. Very nice trailer. I like it. Last but not least is my dad's 2014 John Deere A55D Gator. It's in the original John Deere green color. We need to replace the belt because it makes a lot of noise. I like the transmission in it. Need to scoot over to the other side. go in neutral. Needs to be in neutral to start, otherwise, see? Doesn't want to go in neutral. It's just weird. Don't know why. 13,000 miles on it. Lights, it is 4-wheel drive horn. And then under the hood, take a look under the hood. No brush guard on it. Radiator, brake fluid. I don't know what that is right there. Yeah, very nice Gator. Use it every day on the ranch. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys. Good luck. Hope y'all had a great summer. Good luck on your first day of school tomorrow. And see you guys next time. Peace out. Leaving home just to change my mind.